Oh, you guys, the food was so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Idalycious, stop being Snoopy Squared. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to be showing you rather how to cook Sukuma Wiki and Ugali. And yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna show you my ingredients. This is flour that I'm going to be using to cook Ugali, and this is a cooking stick. And over here I have salt. There are my onions. I have 2 plates of onions for a reason you'll get to learn later. And I have my tomatoes diced in cubes, and I have my Sukuma Wiki over here. So I already washed my Sukuma Wiki, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into very small pieces. A few moments later, so I just finished cutting the Sukuma Wiki, and yeah, we're ready to start cooking. So okay, I'm gonna turn this cooker on. You pour your cooking oil on the cooking pot. We're just going to let the oil cook until it's ready, hot and ready, so we can add in our onions, which are over here. So I have 2 plates of onions because I go crazy when it comes to onions, but maybe I'm not gonna use that much. So yeah, so now our oil is hot enough, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put our onions in. So, and because these are onions for cooking vegetables, we're not going to wait until they are golden brown. We'll just cook them until they're, unless you like them golden brown. But personally for me, I don't wait for them to be golden brown, but I'm just gonna let them cook before I can add the tomatoes. So right here our onions are nice and ready to introduce the tomatoes. So sometimes I cook my Sukuma Wiki with only onions and no tomatoes, but this is in a situation whereby I have stew, like maybe I have nyama or something on the side. Only then do I cook my Sukuma Wiki without tomatoes. But in this case, I don't have any other stew, so I'm gonna be cooking my Sukuma Wiki with onions. So now I'm gonna let the tomatoes cook, and I'll be adding salt at this point, just so that the salt can help the tomatoes cook faster. Also, I would advise you to blend your tomatoes, but in this case I did not because I wanted them to cook this way, And because I did not, I'm gonna go ahead and cover the spuria so that the tomatoes can cook faster. Our tomatoes must have cooked nice. Wow. So see, ready to introduce the Sukuma Wiki. So normally I would add cubes, vegetable cubes or beef cubes or Royco cubes, but over here, so yeah, I'm not at home. I'm from Kenya, but I'm not at home, and over here I don't have access to vegetable cubes, so yeah, there are not going to be any. But if you have access to that, this is the stage where you add your vegetable cubes. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and introduce the Sukuma Wiki. If there's anything you do differently, please be sure to comment down below. And if you walk away from home and you experience the same, walking away from home and you don't have access to whatever you'd have access to if you are home, it can be a bit challenging. So yeah, comment down below how you're coping. And for the Sukuma Wiki, I got this brought to me by my friend who just got back from vacation. Yes, and I had to cook it right away. I just couldn't wait. So yeah, I'm gonna keep stirring because you want to maintain the green. So I'm gonna keep stirring until it's cooked. Actually, mine is almost ready. And I wish I was home because I would have gotten avocado. Yeah. To eat with this. But it's okay. Yummy and nice. So you're gonna keep stirring until it's ready so that it maintains this green. And that's what I'm gonna do. And on the next video I'm gonna have a tripod, but for today I am behind the camera and in front of the camera, so I'm doing everything. So don't be like me, you have to keep stirring, remember, so that you maintain the green. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep doing that until it's ready. And voila, our skuma is ready. And now it's time to prepare ugali. So for the ugali, you need to put water in a cooking pot, and this depends with how many people you're cooking for. So for me, I'm cooking for only 2 people, and I have my thing to prepare ugali. Over here is my water that is almost ready. So I'm gonna bring the water to a boiling point, and then I will start adding flour little by little, and I'll start mingling the ugali until it's ready. So with ugali, depends with how you want it. For me tonight, I just want really soft ugali, so that's what I'm going to prepare. But for some people, they like ugali that's really hard, but for me, I'm gonna go for soft tonight. Okay, so as our ugali, our water for ugali is getting ready, we're going to take just maybe a pinch, not a pinch, almost a handful of no, half handful of flour, and just sprinkle on the water. I don't know why, but my mom and my sisters used to do this growing up. Whenever they were cooking ugali, they still do. So mom and All my sisters, if you're watching this, please comment down below why I used to do this, because I don't know and I do it now. So yeah, just like that. See, that's how you know the water is ready. As soon as it comes to a boiling point and starts bubbling, that's how you know it's ready. And I'm just gonna start adding flour and mingling. So I'll have to set you aside so I can cook. So that's all ugali. I'm gonna go ahead and keep mingling some more as I let it consume the heat and cook very well. I also turned off the vent hood, so because it's making a lot of noise and I need to record this. Oh, this looks so good, so yummy. Nice and ready to be served, and the aroma is so good. So I'm gonna serve my ugali over here on this plate, and yeah. Yay! So I'm gonna be eating my ugali with ugali sukuma with apple juice. You can serve ugali with maybe meat stew and Sukuma Wiki, or maziwa mala, which if I was home again I'd be enjoying that, and avocado on the side. But because I'm here, what's available is this. So yummy. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. I'm gonna go finish my dinner and I'll see you on the next one. If this kind of content is something that you really love, please comment in this comment section any other food that you'd want me to prepare. Until next time, bye.